friends, my name is Ibrahim from grade 3F. Today I am going to talk about landforms of UAE. So let's start, but first let me tell you what are landforms. Landforms are natural features of Earth. They can be land or water. They are of different sizes, shapes and materials. There are different types of landforms: hills, valleys, desert, plains, plateaus, mountains. So in this video, I'm going to talk about two of them: mountains and islands. Mountains. The highest places on earth are mountains. Some mountains are so high that no trees or plants can grow on top of them. The tallest mountain in Abu Dhabi is Jebel Al-Hafid, the mountain in Al-Ain. Island. An island is a landform surrounded by water. The city of Abu Dhabi is an island. Another island is Sirbaniyas. But the same thing in it is that Sirbaniyas and Abu Dhabi is an island. But the difference between it is that Abu Dhabi is a big island, but Sirbaniyas is a small island. Thank you.